wash him goes and him shift the people them from him not like when you stay on one thing too long.
No, so him not like when they bring him down.
Yeah, so him shift it from this and say Ashley do it, then him shift it and put out Ashley video and say Ashley can own a video. You hear Fabi say? As somebody who him used to do it so she know him. Because she has said him come off for she first, she not pay him no mind, so that is why him shift the focus and go to Ashley. And him like him on things, me know him do it.
I don't give a shit.
Jayden, your sick stomach. Me know you leak your own things them. Cause nobody no leak nothing for you. You do it. And you put the blame on Ashley. Because you anything.
What?
And it's somebody where you used to deal with and lay with. She can't tell what say. You do anything for your attention.
You used me.
You leak your own video.
Heartless thing to do.
Cause she said she not even like when nobody bring him down. Him like for take the things them. She said she even said she don't know when him a go start manipulate to know. I'ma just say to a while ago. Fuck you know. I just tell you a while ago. When him a go start manipulate. She said she don't know when him a go start manipulate to know. And when him a go start blood clad fall feet. Fucking idiot.
A single one.
Me Jayden a blood clot tell you. I put things in on a Why would you talk to a man so? Yeah, what I say? Somebody come beside of me and somebody yeah but sir. But and somebody come beside of me and here's a fish. Here is a fish. Jayden, remember say me I deal with you cool and deadly. Me not ready for you yet. Me I deal with you cool and deadly. Shalom did. Remember me I deal with you cool and deadly. I your voice me I listen for me people hear the voice note first. Remember say me I deal with you deadly. Cool, you can't force me. You have to take your time and sit down and watch me go to blood clot work. You have to sit down and watch me go to work. You're not going to rush me. See me I come and take me look at time and TikTok liar. I saw me I take time with you. Yeah. Cute. Now pet and powder you, sir. Me's not your sir.
Say she block you on your comment.
Me not pet and powder you.
Why you block him? You say why you block him? So if they
I block him for my next page. I block him for all of my page them. I never remember for block him right here. So because guess what? Me no want to see you. Me no want to hear about you. Me no want to see nothing. Yeah. Why your video Fabi? Why your video Fabi panty? I'ma play it make your ear. Hear your voice. Why your video Fabi panty? I'ma play it back.
Hear this song?
Yes, a little dirty mama man. Dirty mama man. Yes, a little dirty waste man. Hurt people. Your mama hurt you, so you try come hurt other females. And we make your mother left you know one garbage bin Jayden and never want you. Yeah. And we make your mother never want you and left you in one garbage bin and left you for one punch if you give her your blood clot. So you come and your video Fabi panty, you have to laugh because it's funny.
And I remember man you love.
You have to laugh because it's funny. Your video Fabi panty I send go give blood clot people. You have to laugh because you know says true. You can't use it. Remember, Jayden is a king of manipulation. But me, I want girl you can't manipulate. Oh, you manipulate TikTok, you can't manipulate me. Come now, fall for you. You don't like woman and man you love. Man. And me I block the whole of over your blood clot laugh. Me I block the whole of leave. Go on with him. Yeah.
Him man them and him fuck girl them.
Yeah. Me I black the whole on. Watch Jayden. Watch her. Watch Jayden, man. Alright, Jayden, man, them. Lord Jesus, them a rush me. Whoa! Moderator, Jayden, man, them a come. The shy boys and batty hypocrite, them a come. Them a rush me, moderator. Get rid of them. Moderator, man, them a come. Roll them, them a come. Roll him, man, them.